Good morning, students. Today we shall proceed further in our chapter 5, Birds, Beaks and Claws. We are continuing our topic, Feet and Claws of Birds. In the last session, we have studied about the feet and claws of birds of prey, perching birds and swimming birds. Now let us discuss feet and claws of wading birds, scratching birds and climbing birds. Wading birds. Students, crane and jacana have long legs and wide spreading toes. Here you can see in this picture. These help them to walk in shallow water or mud. The widely spread out toes prevent their body from sinking in water. The next is scratching birds. Students, some birds like hen have strong feet with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. You can see here in this picture. Each toe has a sharp claws to scratch the ground in search of seeds and insects present in the soil. The last is climbing birds. Students, birds like the woodpecker and the parrot have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 downwards. You can see here in this picture. These birds can cling to the trees to catch insects and to hold the fruits. Students, we thus find that nature has provided birds with different types of beaks, feet and claws. These are as per the needs and habits of different birds. Students, now the chapter 5 is completed. In the next session, we will discuss the question answers of this chapter. Take care. Goodbye.